Just got this today. Reef Octopus 200 INT. Put it in like 30 minutes ago. Switched over from like an Amazon special. This is in a 180 gallon tank. I mean, it's super quiet. It's controlled off of the controller back there. I've got it on setting 3 of 5 for speed, motor speed. It's got a float switch in it in case it overflows. It's in the back, can't really see it. So if it overflows too much, it'll disconnect the motor, turn it off, so it doesn't overflow everywhere. But pretty incredible how much this thing is producing, and I literally put it in 30 minutes ago. It's working well. This is the intake silencer. Then to adjust it, turn that gate valve to adjust the water level, along with fine-tuning the motor speed on the pump. I probably need to turn it up just a little bit more. I mean, raise the water level a little bit more than what it is, but still trying to learn it. 200 INT. I got the Octopus pumps, power heads.